Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you curiosity box. So, here, wait, let's do, there you go. Okay, so curiosity box is more of a box for my husband and my son. They really like this kind of stuff. I do find that the box has some fun things in it, so I do share the box with you guys. I don't remember how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. But let's get into this. So this is basically a box for that geek in your life. This tape is not wanting to come undone. There we go. But I don't know, this kind of stuff is way more up my husband and my son's alley, but I do enjoy some of the things that come in this box. Okay, so it comes with a paper that tells you what's in the box, but everything in this box is exclusive to this box, so they don't give prices. The first thing, I'll set this right here. The first thing I am pulling out is, I have no idea what this is. It's some sort of a game, I guess. New to Steam, let's get started. I don't know what it is. We're gonna get that a lot with this. Let's see. So it's the world's most popular dissection puzzle, now on your computer, with over 200 entertaining geometric conundrums waiting for you to solve. With the Tangrams Deluxe will provide hours of thought-provoking fun. So it's a husband thing. There we go. The next thing I am pulling out is Ink's 3D Miroscope. Don't believe your eyes. Looks real, but you can't touch it. Okay, let's see. Ink's 3D Miroscope is a simple but precise piece of optical design that creates a perfect 3D image of whatever you place inside of it, hovering in mid-air, and the perfect test subject are little inks included inside. Okay, so that's cool. So I'm not gonna take it out of the box, but this is what it looks like. And I guess whatever you put inside has a 3D image right here, but you can't actually touch it. So that's interesting. I'm gonna have my husband put that together later. The next thing I am pointing out is all new shows about what you want to know. YouTube Learning. There are, I don't know, maybe it's a mistake that there are two in here, but that's what it looks like because they say exactly the same thing. So it gives a list of what I am assuming are YouTube channels for learning. It's a YouTube TV guide, a special viewing guide to the shows on YouTube Learning, featuring Michael's Minefield and Jake's Could You Survive the Movies. Okay, so that's a husband thing, maybe a son thing, who knows. The next thing I am pulling out is this, but it doesn't say anything on it. So I'm not going to take it out of the box, but it's a pizza cutter. Oh, that's cool. So this is what that looks like. And it says Ink's Golden Record Pizza Cutter. The closest Voyager spacecraft is currently over blah, 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 blah miles away. So your best option to slice up a delicious pie with a golden record is our Curiosity Box exclusive Golden Record Pizza Cutter. That's cool. There it is again. I'll kind of put that up close so you guys can see. That's cool. It's kind of neat. All right, the next thing I am pulling out is Schrodinger's Cat by Looking Glass Universe. And so there's that. So I don't know exactly what this is, but I know that Schrodinger's, it says Creator Spotlight sticker. Okay, so it's a sticker. And I know that the Schrodinger's test is something about if you put a cat in a box, is it dead or alive? Kind of a thing or something like that. But anyway, it's a sticker. That's a husband thing. Oh, okay. So this is the Artist's Spotlight postcard. So Nathan Anderson drew that artwork. So that's cool. And let's see, the next thing I am pulling out is Ink's Ambiguous Illusion Kit. This is what it looks like. And let's see, it says, they say it's all a matter of perspective. And in this case, that's literally true. A topological treat where shapes transform before your eyes. Ink's Illusion Kit is best viewed at an angle between 40 and 80 degrees. It's a husband thing. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes this box makes me feel really dumb. But it is what it is. Okay, so this is a t-shirt, I think. Galactic Cheshire Cat shirt. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm gonna open this. Okay, so it's the stars. It's kind of like an optical illusion sort of a thing. But if you look at it, it has a Cheshire cat in there. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm sure I'll wear it because, you know, I wear weird t-shirts. And then the last thing is the Stars book. So it's a hardcover book. And it says, an astronomically good book, literally. The stars cover everything you've ever wanted to know about our favorite supermassive nuclear fusion sources, constellations, local planets, and more. And that's it. That's the last thing in the book. So let's take just a peek. So this is 100% a husband thing, but this is cool. So it's just, it tells you about our universe. It tells you about the stars, and I didn't know that there was a constellation of a sea monster. That's super cool. I might thumb through this book just for curiosity's sake. That's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I remember going to a planetarium once when I was a kid, and I remember it being like one of the coolest things I ever saw, you know, just kind of hanging out, laying back in the chair and just looking at all the stars. I just thought it was super cool. Never understood the stuff. Never in a million years, but I mean, that's super cool. You've got the twins. This is cool. I may thumb through this just for, like I said, curiosity's sake. So that is Curiosity's box. I hope that this box did not make you feel as dumb as it makes me feel. Have a great day. Bye.